Inspecting Docker containers can be an effective troubleshooting technique for developers as it allows you to view the internal state of the container and diagnose issues that may be causing errors. Using Docker inspect container commands, you can view the container's logs, configuration, environment variables, and other information. This gives you valuable insights into the container's behavior and helps to identify potential problem areas. With this information, you can quickly pinpoint and resolve issues, resulting in more efficient troubleshooting and faster problem resolution. In VS Code, you can right-click a running container and select Inspect. I won't review all of the values shown here, but I wanted to highlight the most useful information. ID is, of course, the container ID. State includes various status flags and the process ID for the container. Image is the image this container is running. You can also find the system path to the container's log file in the log path output. This is what you would use to ship logs to a central location and enable log rotation to save disk space. Name is the user-defined name for the container. Restart count shows the number of times the container has been restarted. This value is the key value used when defining a container's restart policy. Volumes displays the volume mapping between the host system and the container. Network settings lists the network environment for the container and the applications within the image. Host config includes configurations for how the container will interact with the host system. This information is crucial to help you manage CPU and memory limits, networking values, or device driver paths. And finally, config shows the runtime configuration options set when the Docker run command was executed. You can also use the Docker inspect command to return specific sections. The format option allows you to enter a search string within single quotes and then double curly brackets or braces. You can get an instance's image name by searching for .config.image, and then you put in the container ID. And you can get the ID using the string syntax .id. Another useful string to search for is .logpath, which will return the path to the log file for a container. To view the config section, you would search for .config. I'm also going to add JSON so that the output is formatted. Then you can copy the output, create a new file, and specify the JSON format. Right-click anywhere in the new file and select Format Document. If you go back to the full output from earlier, you can search for config and see the same results. You can set the format option to the name of any parent field to return the structure beneath it. If you're struggling with Docker errors, check out my Pluralsight course, Tactics and Tools for Troubleshooting Docker. This course provides developers with the skills they need to troubleshoot and fix the most common Docker errors. By the end of this course, you will have the skills that you need to reduce the time it takes you to assess and fix issues. Visit HoffsTech.com/troubleshooting-Docker to get started with a free trial today. What questions do you have about Docker? Let me know in the comments, and please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.